seems like you are still hungry. One more time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Muslims of Newport Richey, welcome. May Allah bless all of you. Ameen ya Rabbil Alameen. May Allah accept our siyam and our qiyam. As just very quickly, before we go to the adhan, inshallah, I wanted to inform you that as you know, we have the tahajjud. So do not miss the tahajjud. We start at 5 a.m. inshallah. I wanted to thank today our doctors actually. I have mentioned yesterday, they are not only essential parts. So can I give the sisters 2 minutes? Sisters, can you give me 2-3 minutes, please? Just put it down a little bit. And inshallah, I promise you I will make dua especially for the sisters. May Allah bless our sisters. Say Ameen. Ameen. May Allah keep them quiet. Ameen. Only for 3 minutes, not forever. Okay? Okay. So actually, we have the sponsors for today, and they are not only essential parts in our community, but they built the community years after years. And actually, as kind of showing the gratitude and the appreciation for all the efforts that they have made. You cannot mention the message of Newport Richey without mentioning Dr. Mughni and Dr. Zaidi. Not only them, but their families, their kids, their wives, and the whole family actually. Their contribution to the masjid, their support is beyond, our thought. Even in 2-3 minutes, we cannot give them the proper right to thank them for everything they have made. Can you please give them a round of applause for appreciation for their efforts in our community? Thank you, Dr. Murli, thank you, Dr. Zaidi, and Sister Tahira, Sister Jala, for all the efforts that they are doing for the family. Also, we will make a dua tonight, inshallah, for Sister Shafia. She is the auntie of Sister Tahira. She passed away in Pakistan, and inshallah, we will make a dua for her before the iftar. May Allah accept our dua. Allahumma ameen. One more thing, or even 2 more things. Tomorrow, inshallah, is the day for the iftar. It is sponsored by my family, my wife and my kids. So you are all invited, inshallah. That will be a special day for us, so you will come to grant us honor by having you, inshallah. Also, there is no banana, okay? And there is no hot food, okay? Okay. One more thing I just wanted to tell you. See the word that there is no hot food. Okay. One more thing actually I want to share with you, that alhamdulillah we have done well with the matrimonial event yesterday, and we will keep continuing following up this topic. One last thing before Brother Ismail. There is a brother in the community, one of the community members, that actually we are so proud of him. He came up with very intelligent projects that will change, inshallah, the face of looking to the internet and many of the projects, big projects in the United States. We are so proud of him to be one of the community members. I just give you a little bit about him today, but he will be tomorrow our guest to tell us about his achievements, about his improvements, and also the upcoming projects. And inshallah, in a very short time, we will find his name on the biggest of the magazines and the newspaper and also the media around the whole country or around the whole world. We are so proud of him, but I will not mention his name till tomorrow, inshallah. Try to come a little bit early so you enjoy his lecture, inshallah.
Assalamu alaikum. As every day we have a gift, but this gift we have a question for it. I'll give you 10 seconds like last time. The question is, من هم العشرة المبشرين بالجنة? Who's the 10 people Rasul sallallahu alayhi wa sallam promised him with al-Jannah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go. Nobody knows. أبو بكر وسعد وسعيد وطلحة والزبير والزياد وعثمان وعمر وعلي وأبو عبيدة وعبد الرحمن بن الجياد. 10.